In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to play King of the Hill on chess.com. By the end, you'll know exactly how to find the variant, what makes it special, and how to win without changing the basics you already know from regular chess. First, log into your chess.com account and head to the play section. From there, look for the variants area. You can scroll through the list or simply search for King of the Hill in the lobby. Once you open it, you'll be in the right place to start a game. If you're new to variants, don't worry, this one builds directly on standard chess. All the normal chess rules apply here. Every piece moves and captures just as it does in regular chess. Checks and checkmates are exactly the same, and things like castling, en passant, and promotion all work as usual. There are no special pieces or unusual moves to learn, so if you can play standard chess, you're already equipped to play King of the Hill. What sets this variant apart is the hill, the four central squares in the absolute middle of the board, d4, e4, d5, and e5. Picture a little 2x2 square, one step in from every edge of the center. If you like, turn on board coordinates in your settings to make spotting those squares even easier. There are two ways to win. The first is the traditional way. Checkmate your opponent's king. The second is unique to this variant. Move your own king onto any one of those four central squares. The moment your king safely lands on d4, e4, d5, or e5, the game ends and you win. You don't have to sit there for a move. Arriving safely is enough. Safety is the key word. You cannot move your king into check to claim victory. That means the destination square cannot be controlled by an opponent's piece, and your king can't pass through check on the way if that would make the move illegal. Make sure you remove or block any piece that guards your target square before stepping onto the hill. A good approach is to fight for central control early, trade off enemy pieces that cover those squares, and use your pieces as a shield as your king advances. Defensively, keep at least one piece aimed at the center to discourage your opponent's king from rushing in. That's all you need to get started. Log in, open the variants section, choose King of the Hill, and remember, standard rules apply. The hill is d4, e4, d5, and e5, and a safe king on the center is a win. Have fun, and I'll see you over the board.